Alright, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on stolen device protection on iPhone for better security. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17.3 or later. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version if needed. Now, go back to Settings, then tap Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to continue. Scroll down and look for Stolen Device Protection. If you don't see it, make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled. Also, this feature requires Find My iPhone to be turned on. So go to Settings, Apple ID, Find My, and enable it. Once everything is set, go back and toggle Stolen Device Protection on. This feature adds an extra layer of security, so even if someone has your passcode, they'll still need Face ID or Touch ID to access sensitive data like passwords or payment info. And yeah, that's how to enable stolen device protection on iPhone in iOS 17.3 and above.